Greetings, and welcome to London, a city steeped in history and brimming with iconic landmarks. In this journey, we will navigate the bustling streets and tranquil parks of this great city, exploring 5 attractions that encapsulate its essence. Join me as we delve into the heart of London. Our adventure will take us from the imposing Tower of London to the modern marvel of the London Eye. We'll witness the ceremonial splendor of Buckingham Palace and trace the footsteps of legendary wizards at the Warner Brothers studio tour. So, tighten your shoelaces, grab your Oyster card, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the top 5 tourist attractions in London. Our journey begins on the north bank of the River Thames at the Tower of London, a fortress that has stood sentinel for over 900 years. Founded by William the Conqueror in 1066, the tower has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. Within these walls, kings have walked, plots have been hatched, and history has been written in blood and stone. We'll explore the White Tower, the oldest part of the fortress, and marvel at the crown jewels, a dazzling display of royal regalia. But the tower's history is not without its darker side. Here, some of history's most famous figures met their end, including Anne Boleyn and Lady Jane Grey. We'll hear tales of the Ravens, guardians of the tower said to protect the crown jewels and the kingdom itself. Legend has it that if the Ravens ever leave the tower, the monarchy will fall. As night falls, the tower takes on an eerie beauty, its walls whispering tales of the past. Next, we embark on a journey through London's beating heart, aboard the iconic red double-decker bus. The city sightseeing hop-on hop-off bus tour offers a convenient and comprehensive way to experience London's most famous landmarks. From the open-top deck, we'll enjoy unparalleled views of Trafalgar Square, the Houses of Parliament, and Big Ben. As we cross Westminster Bridge, we'll be treated to stunning views of the London Eye. With its informative audio commentary available in multiple languages, the Hop-On, Hop-Off bus tour provides a fascinating and convenient way to navigate the city. Sit back, relax, and let the sights and sounds of London unfold before you. Prepare to be spellbound as we journey to the outskirts of London, to the magical realm of the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour. Here, we'll step onto the actual sets, explore behind-the-scenes secrets, and discover the artistry that brought the wizarding world to life. We'll wander down Diagon Alley, peering into the windows of Ollivander's Wand Shop and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. We'll step inside the Great Hall at Hogwarts, marveling at the floating candles and long wooden tables. We'll explore Dumbledore's office and visit the Gryffindor Common Room. We'll even have the chance to board the Hogwarts Express and capture a photo with a luggage trolley disappearing into the wall. The Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour is an immersive experience that will delight witches, wizards, and muggles alike. From costumes and props to magical creatures, every corner of the studio holds a new surprise. Our journey takes us next to the south bank of the Thames, where we'll ascend the London Eye, a true icon of modern London. At a height of 135 meters, this giant Ferris wheel offers unparalleled panoramic views of the city. As we glide gracefully into the sky, London will unfurl beneath us like a giant map. Each rotation of the wheel takes approximately 30 minutes, providing ample time to soak up the breathtaking views and capture stunning photographs. As the sun sets, the London Eye lights up, offering a magical view of the city at night. Our final destination takes us to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of Queen Elizabeth II and the administrative headquarters of the British monarchy. We'll witness the grandeur of this iconic building with its imposing facade and gilded gates. We'll witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a display of British pageantry at its finest. While we can't go inside Buckingham Palace year-round, during the summer months, the staterooms are open to the public. The palace gardens, in full bloom during the summer, offer a serene escape from the bustling city. As our journey through London's top 5 attractions comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for this historic, vibrant, and culturally rich city. From ancient fortresses to modern marvels, from royal palaces to magical film sets, London offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate and inspire travelers of all ages. We've only scratched the surface of what this amazing city has to offer. So come and experience the magic of London for yourself and create your own unforgettable memories. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get exclusive deals. Until next time, farewell from London.